Okay guys, here is a question. If we wanna be polite to search engines in general, what we need to type in a head section to describe our pages individually to, let's say, Googlebot? Well, let's use example from Wiki. So when you type Wiki in Google, you're gonna have result like on the first place. And yes, you will have link, you will have actually title, because this is a title, see? But the most important thing is this very precise, short, brief description. So how are they doing it? Well, let's steal the code. And pretty much this is standard stuff, how we are doing that meta for description. So go to your page source and find that actual explanation. So that will be the thing that you're going to type on your like page, but standard here is to type this thing. Okay, this thing on the left, meta, name, description, quotes, content, and then your hard-coded like actual description. So general rule is to type this: meta, name equal description, and then space, and then content equal, and now in here your own stuff. So see, in this case I have just a title for some security tutorials, let's say, and this is very short title, and that's normal to have it very short. But if you're describing things, then also be short, but not that much, because see, they have pretty much a lot of characters in this region. So you're gonna type something like this, like free security tutorials for you, let's say, something like that. Okay, it's really not important, we're just practicing, but think about that like professionally when you're creating actually pages. Right, guys, so that's pretty much it about description. So you're probably wondering, well, what about that keywords, how those things are related? Well, these things are visible in search engines like this. See, they are visible to user in Google, but keywords are visible only to search engines. So how to create them? And actually I think that Wiki is not using it at all, because Wiki is very famous, diverse website, so they pretty much don't have a need to do that. But you as a small like a website developer, sure, do that, because it cannot hurt. Because some people in the past, they were overdoing that because of search engines like results, like they want to be first with aggressively pushing a lot of keywords, but that will be pretty much, I think, punished by almost all bigger search engines, because they recognize that you're trying to like abuse it. So that's my assumption, because I don't have access to source code of search engines, but if I own Google, that's what I'm gonna do, something like that. Okay. Funny thing, if I own Google, yeah, right. Anyway, so how to create those keywords, meta for keywords? Well, meta, and then again name, and then keywords, and you can find list of all meta tags if you type that on Google, but don't force yourself to do that, because you want to pretty much use like 5 or 4 of these. So don't force yourself to memorize things that you will not use. There is a lot of them, like 30 or something, I don't know. Like content, and now you're gonna use comma separated list of words that are very important down there, like words that are often used in actually text. So yes, some people are overdoing that too much, and they are probably punished for that, I don't know, something like that. So what we are going to type here? Well, something logical with you can use here like a lowercase, and up here you can use, well, normal text construction, uppercase and lowercases. So security, and let's say pen testing and hacking, and I don't know, Python, something logical like that. It depends what you do. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much the story about keywords and description. And now you have pretty much the 3 most used meta tags on any page on internet you're gonna find. But some people like, for example, to put that they are authors of that specific web page, so they are going to do something like this. Meta name equals author, and then content equals, let's say, I don't know, Sex and City, Samantha Fox, if she is a HTML coder, something like that, who cares. So guys, pretty much this is a standard. You have meta, you have name, and then equality symbol, and then here you're gonna have quotes or single quotes. And these things that you can use, you can find list of them on internet. And after that, you will always have content, content, content. And after that, equality symbol, and again quotes, because there must be some way of differentiation between actually content for real life and that thing that will describe in short what this thing on the right side is. So you will always have content, 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 and name, 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 as such a thing. These things will be changeable and they are part of standards, but those things are up to you to type them as you seem fit. Okay, so that's pretty much how you're going to create any meta tags. And again, please don't try to force yourself to find and memorize all of them, because there are a lot of them. These like 3 will get the job done if you're a beginner. Trust me, don't torture yourself with memorization. Okay guys, that's pretty much enough for this tutorial, and in the next one we are going to talk about, let me see. Yep, we're gonna talk about headings on screen. So for example, if you divide your HTML page in sections, then every page needs to have title in the body section. So yeah, we're gonna think about sizes of those internal titles. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna shut up. We're gonna leave that for next tutorial. Thank you for watching. See ya in that one.